Hey guys, how it's going? In today's video I do a bit of concrete work. I just do a patching or a sidewalk. I'm going to show you how I did it. This is going to be a step-by-step video. If you're a homeowner and want to do it yourself, watch it to the end. Sure you will learn something. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. At least 4 inches. So we're gonna dig it out 5 inches and put 1 inch worth of gravel, and then we'll pour our 4 inches of concrete on top. After we're gonna resurface the entire thing so that we have one finish. I'm gonna stand on the concrete that's there already. So we finished the digging. We did down 5 inches, and we're gonna put 1 inch worth of gravel and then 4 inches worth of concrete. So there now I'm just checking to see if I have enough slope, and I'm checking for my depth as well to make sure we have the right depth that we're supposed to have. Look at your board, make sure it's tightened, make sure it's straight. So that's a 1x2x4 I use at the side here. I just match it with both concrete and both ends. So that's going to be our slope. So now we're ready for our gravel. I want to have at least, I put 1 inch, you can have even half an inch, and it's good to stamp the surface before you apply your gravel. These are the tools that we need, guys. One back it. Yeah. Hey, look. So guys, once you pour the concrete, you want to lift up the rebar, and you want to try to get the rebar in the middle of the concrete. So just need to lift it up. Guys, in the morning I'm going to cut my control joint on here. Just 4,000 psi concrete mix we're using for this one. Straight. have the magnesium. We have 3 float, magnesium float. This one is a finishing float, and this is a board float. We're gonna use the magnesium to bring the juice up. So the magnesium basically bring it up. Don't dash that it here. And remember, the way you want to use your magnesium trowel, you want to lift up the front part to the direction you're going. So tilt here up to the direction you're going, and you tilt it backwards to the direction you're going. Finishing trowel now.
This is the steps, yeah?
Yeah. No, it's 4. How much? 5? Okay, there you have it, guys. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. We still have here to do the resurfacer. We're gonna sand down the entire thing and resurface it. So subscribe for that video.